Welcome dear students. In this video, we shall be learning about solution, suspension and colloid. So let's begin. The first topic which we are going to learn about is solution. A homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is called solution, which means when two or more substances are mixed together to form one single phase, it is known as a solution. Let's have a look at the examples. We have salt, we have water. Now here salt is available in less proportion. So the substance or the component which is available in the less proportion, it is known as a solute, whereas the substance which is present in larger proportion, it is known as solvent. And when we mix these two things, that is the solute and the solvent together, the final result which we get, it is the solution. See, here we have mixed salt with water. Salt dissolves in water and then we get salt solution. Sugar water. Now, this is one more example. We have sugar, that is the solute available in less proportion. We have solvent, that is the water available in larger proportion. And by mixing these two things, we get a sugar solution. Now, apart from this, the solution can also be of the types liquid and liquid, example vinegar, dilute sulfuric acid, etc. It can also be available in gas and liquid, example chlorinated water, HCl, etc. Gas and gas, example air, and solid and solid, example alloys like brass, steel, stainless steel, etc. If solvent is a transparent liquid, the solution is also transparent and it passes through a filter paper. The next topic for us is suspension. A heterogeneous mixture of a liquid and a solid is called suspension, which means when one solid substance is dissolved or mixed with a liquid, forming two phases or two or more phases, it is known as suspension. Here we have a mixture of sawdust and water. We can clearly see that there are two phases. Hence, it is a heterogeneous mixture. The diameter of the solid particles in a suspension is larger than 10 raised to minus 4 meter. Therefore, light cannot transmit through it. Solid particles remain on an ordinary filter paper as a residue, and there the liquid and solid components of a suspension get separated by filtration. About residue, I had already told you all. The particles or the substances which are left behind after filtration or after combustion is the residue, which means when we filter this sawdust and water solution, the particles which are left in the filter paper, that is the residue. Now let's have a look at colloid. Colloid is a mixture where one substance of microscopically insoluble or soluble particle is suspended into another substance. Now here it means when very small substances are mixed with another substance or liquid, it is a colloid. Here we have a mixture of water and milk. The diameter of these particles is around 10 raised to 5 meter. We are talking about colloid. However, the pores of the filter paper are larger than colloid. Hence, the mixture cannot be separated. Milk itself is a colloid. There are some more types of colloids. Example, solid in gas, that is smoke, liquid in gas, that is fog. Here we can see that the three glasses are kept, which includes a solution, a colloid, and suspension. We have a light source. When light is passed, see, we can see the observations given there. Light beam is not visible in solution. It is visible in colloid, and it is also visible in suspension. Examples of the solutions or the particles which are there in the glass are: in the first one we have water, in the second one we have milk, and in the third glass we have flour and water. That's it. That's it for today's video, students. Thank you.